what would you say from your experience, from everybody that you've helped, the ones that have succeeded and the ones that have failed, what would you say are the types of personas or the type of people that would do best from hiring virtually?
With the exception of your specialist services like your doctors, nurses, lawyers, to some degree your bookkeeper and your accountant, those are not positions that you want to hire out virtually. But if you have a business in this day and age, and let's say 70 to 90% of your business activity is done on a computer, in my opinion, there's no reason why you cannot hand the tasks off to a virtual team member.
Boost Hospitality Podcast. My name is Mark Simpson. I'm the founder of Boostly, and we are in season 7, episode 7. And today we're talking all about hiring your first virtual team member. I invited on Tega, who has been helping small business owners, solopreneurs for the past few years now figure out where in their business they need help, and he helps people by then hiring team members from all over the world, and then he helps manage the whole process. Him and his team do a fantastic job, and I wanted to get him on this show because we wanted to scale back what exactly is a virtual team member or virtual assistant, the pros and cons of doing it, which type of business owner should be looking to outsource, and exactly what it is that short stay accommodation owners need to be looking at. We talk about social media, we talk about McDonald's, we talk about Big Mac, we talk about SOP, and we've got loads of really cool tactics and tips for you in this. Before we get started, I just want to thank you, our podcast sponsor for this season. This is Hostfully. Hostfully are a US based company that help design digital guidebooks for your guests for pre and post stay. I have been on Hostfully for a while, and the guests that we use at the Granary have commented on how good the guest guidebooks are, not only for our own family business, but Boostly Academy members such as Paula Butler use it for her business, Cockington Cottages, and again their guests are commenting on the guidebooks on arrival. Really recommend that you check out Hostfully. Go to hostfully.com. If you go to hostfully.com, you can check out right now. If you go and put in Boostly2M in the coupon code, you'll get 2 months free of their premium service. But what I love most is you can get started today for free for one guidebook. So go and check it out. Before you go and check it out, please tune in to this Boostly podcast.
Good evening, everybody in Boostly land. Nice to speak with you guys virtually, those of us live and those who happen to be listening. Pleasure to be speaking in your ears. My name's Tega, as Mark pointed out. I am based in Newcastle upon Tyne in the northeast of England, so pretty cold winters, and it's pretty cold today, which is why I'm wearing a hoodie for those who may be watching. And my business is helping self-employed entrepreneurs go from being self-employed to actually having a business by leveraging the power of outsourcing and systemization.
From all of the self-employed business owners that you chat to, Tega, what is the one mistake that you see people make time and time again when it comes to the running of their business?
The one mistake that I notice time and time again is the fact that people don't tend to treat their business like a business. They tend to treat their business more like a hobby than a business. If you look at someone who's successful from the outset, I can almost guarantee, I can't guarantee it because obviously I wasn't there when they started their business, but from the outset, I can almost guarantee they would have started and acted like they were running a business and not a hobby.
Let's just delve right back to the start. And when somebody says virtual assistant, what does that mean?
When I say a virtual assistant, I refer to someone who is helping you run your business, but they are location independent.